I'm Maria Niter with the Social Content Company.
And I'm Aaron Swanson with Springfield Nissan and Kia.
We're kicking off something new called the Roadtrip Report. I'll be test driving a new vehicle every month, taking it to those road trip games, my daily commute, even different weather conditions.
That's right. That way you can see what you like most, best features, and how it worked in your daily commute. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, today you're driving the 2024 Kia Telluride.
Okay.
It is the highest volume sales car that Kia produces, room for up to 8 passengers, and all the cargo space you could ever need.
So I've been driving the Telluride for a couple of weeks now, and two of the most important things for our family of 4, safety, number 1. Number 2, we need a lot of space. We have 2 kids in high school. They both do competitive sports. So we have a lot of gear, a lot of books. And when we're traveling on a weekend to a hotel, we also have all of our personal belongings packed. So space was really important for us. One thing that I noticed right away with this vehicle was it's a nice, smooth drive. So we definitely like that, and they have a lot of space in the back seats. We're doing a combination of city driving and Highway 65 highway driving. So it's going to give us a good gauge on the fuel efficiency. And because it's November and going into December, that means on those weekend road trips, there are times we could be running into winter driving conditions. One thing that makes me feel good about this car, the number of safety features. I'll also be taking this car on my daily drive to work, to go pick up the kids, to run errands, like getting groceries. I did that earlier. But we're also going to take you along on some of the weekend activities we do as a family. And there are so many fun holiday activities happening this time of year in the Ozarks. So we'll take you along for that. And in the end, we'll wrap it up and tell you what we thought about the Telluride.
Join us in making a difference with your story through the Social Content Company.